Good morning, students. Yesterday also I discussed some problem based on area and perimeter of triangle. Okay. Today there is only one problem left to find out the area and perimeter of a triangle. Today I'll discuss this problem in the class, and from tomorrow onwards I am going to do the revision of those chapters what are already been taught to you. So once more, from tomorrow onwards I am going to do the revision of the chapters already being taught to you. Today I have only one problem. The book what I am using here, what book what I got, there I got only one problem. Last problem is left on the basis of finding out the area and perimeter of triangle. So the other day I discussed you how to find out the area of a triangle whose all three sides are given. Then I discussed how to find out the area of a right angle triangle where the altitude or the height is given and the base is given. And the third thing what I discussed, how to find out the area of an equilateral triangle. There I told you, equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all three sides are equal and all three angles are also equal. Here I am not dealing with the angles, I am talking about the sides only. And there what I told you, the area of an equilateral triangle can be found out in two ways by applying the formula what I told you, root 3 by 4 into side square, or by the help of that particular formula where length of three sides are given here, that is root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. And there I told you what is s. S means the half of the perimeter. Okay. And in the beginning, the first day only I taught you what is a perimeter. I told you perimeter of any figure is the total length of its boundary wall. So in a triangle, its boundary is covered by three sides. So the perimeter of a triangle is equal to the total length of all the sides together is called its perimeter. Everything is known to you. I made it very clear. So today I am going to discuss you the last questions, and I am not going to give you any homework. What I want to request you, you please go through the questions what has been discussed and what homework given to you from this particular exercise, the area and perimeter based on triangle. And if you have any doubt beta, you please call me between 8 to 2. Okay, after all also up to 7 o'clock also you can call me evening. Okay, if I am there, I'll definitely receive a call and I'll explain you if your doubts. Okay, and if you have no doubts, that's very good. But next day onwards, I'm just telling you, I'm going to do the revision. Whatever chapter has been taught till now, I'll give you the basic ideas of those chapters and certain problems I'll solve you. Okay, and after doing the revision, I'll give you the syllabus for your first unit test. Okay, let me start the math today's problem. One problem only, I explain you all those things too. The problem is the length of the sides of the triangles are in the ratio 4:5:3 and its perimeter is 96 centimeter. Find its area. So remember that this is a triangle. A triangle has three sides and the ratios are given there 4:5:3. So what I have taken, let the one side be 4x, the other side be 5x and the third side be 3x. If it is given in centimeter, so definitely it's centimeter. So I have drawn it. This side I have taken at 4x centimeter, this side I have taken at 5x centimeter, this side I have taken at 3x centimeter. Now you know all the three sides are given there. So if the three sides are given there, how to find out the perimeter is known to each and every one of us. So perimeter of a triangle, in the question is given, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to 96 centimeter. How to find out the perimeter? Perimeter of a triangle means sums of all the three sides or not. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x, how much is coming? 96 centimeter. So will you be able to find out the value of x or not? If you found out the value of x, easily you will be able to find out the length of all the sides, because 3x means 3 into x, so 3 into 8, 24 centimeter, 4x means 4 into x means 4 into 8 equal to 32 centimeter, and this is 5 into 8 equal to 40 centimeter. So all the sides have been near to that, 24 centimeter, 32 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Now if you know the length of all the three sides of the triangle, I told you how to find out the area. The area of a triangle where all the three sides are given equal to root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is a? A means one side. What is b? Means the other side. And what is c? C means the third side. And what is s? S is equal to half of the perimeter. So here beta, what is s value? Perimeter, you know what is the perimeter? Perimeter already was given in the question, but then also explaining all the three sides, you add it up. Will it come to the perimeter or not? Divide by 248 centimeter. Area of the triangle s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S is how much? 48. A means any side. I have taken one side. What are the side? 24, 32 and 40. One place I put 24, one place I put 32, one place 40. You know how to do it. 48 into, if you do the subtraction, 24 will come. Here you do the subtraction, 16 will come. Here you do the subtraction, 8 will come. Now what you have to do, after getting, you try to find out the pair. It can be done in so many ways. You can multiply all those things. Whatever value will come, you can write their prime factors. You can do it one way, and whenever pair is there, for one pair, one number will come out from the square root sign, all of us are knowing. So this calculation is up to you. What way you will do the calculation to make their pair easily. What I have done it, here I have found out already 124 is there. So what I did, this 42 I have multiplied 2 into 24. Okay beta? So 2 into already 124 is there. So 24 one pair हमको मिल गया है. Now here 16 is there, and here I got 1 2. So what I did here, and here 1 8 I got it. So 16 I just multiplied 2 into 8. This 16 I break it into 2 into 8. Why I did it 2 into 8? Because 1 2 was, that's why I got 2 2 1 pair I said, and 8 8 1 pair. It is not that you have to follow the way I am doing it. Whichever way you find it easier for you, you can do this calculation. There is no hard and fast rule. जो मेरा बारा ही सुनना है. हो सके तुमको इससे easy तरीका पता है, you are allowed to do it. No problem बेटा. Now then you know that for the pair what will happen? All the numbers are having the pair, 1 will come out, 2 is having a pair, come out, 24 is having a pair, 24 come out, 8 is having a pair, 8 come out, and you multiply it, it is coming 384 centimeter square, and that's the area of the triangle. So this is what I explained to you, okay? And all the varieties of question based on area and perimeter of the triangle, different kinds of triangle I have taken, and all the different types of questions I have solved with you. So please, once more you see all the questions what has been discussed, what homework is given to you from this particular exercise, and if you have any doubts, once more I am requesting you, please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask me beta. Please never get any hesitation how to ask sir kya bole. I am not going to tell you anything. If you have the doubt, definitely I am going to explain it to you, okay? And if you have no doubt, that's well and good, no problem for us. But from tomorrow I am not giving you any homework today, okay? So tomorrow I am going to start the revision from the very first chapters what is being taught to you. Thank you so much.